Okay guys, doing this just for me. It's pound JPY and we are looking to get probably onto this line here. Now what this represents is what's called an entry exit. Just drop that in, put the target on there, be a reasonable target. If it gets down onto here, brilliant, but the actual score of this is not particularly great. It was it's a C grade, low TP, looking to sell it on the top of the hour, which we are. We've just gone in for 8 pips. Now, when it says wait, that means basically I put a pending order in and I let it come back up, crack the hour, or crack the top of the hour and then push down. That's what it's doing. It is stretched, so a little bit to worry about. This is the newer version of, or the start of the new account. I'm just putting a couple of quid in to boost it up, because if you saw the updates at the weekend, you'll have seen I've been in and out of this thing and took all the money out for the month, and I was just setting something up. So that's it. It's nothing to sing home about. So we got more than a fiver, so I'm happy with that, which is more than the tenner. This is the Vanguard that it'll go to, and we need to do £2.31 per day. So let me just move my sheets out the way, just so that you can see what's going on and what patience is all about. Now this, I was actually looking at it early morning. If you bear with me, I'll just quickly pull up something for you, or at least I will do in just a second. There we go. Let me just log on to the Discord and I'll show you. That's running in as we speak. Just drop it down onto 15 minutes so you can see it. So we come down into Trader Clinic, market updates, come down here. What you'll see, put these in about 7 o'clock this morning, and I was looking at it then. There was no trade at that point. The pound is reasonably strong at this moment in time, and the JP is losing ground, and it's losing ground on both sides. But what you can remember on Monday morning is sometimes market goes the wrong way before it goes the right way. And then there you go. You can see quarter 10, looked in, raging, still no trade. I'd finished the gold, so I was quite happy with that. And now I'm just going to follow this one through. And I think once it gets to a fiver, I'll probably pull it. Yeah, I'm going to pull it now. Okay. Right, there we go. Job's done. So that's this concluded. My day is now finished. I'll just quickly fill this in. I could have held that, but why? I only want a few quid out of it, so I'm not going to chase it. It's actually pulled away now. So I was probably right to do it in the first place. So that's 576. 576. Let me just show you what it is that I'm up to. 576 goes into there. And back to pound JPY. It was a golden eye setup. I was selling it because that's what the sheet had told me. A bit tired this morning, and it was actually continue strong move. All right, so that's it. Nicely done. Everybody's happy. This is now working its way back again. Can't do any more than that. So that was for me, and it's just me keeping a personal record of what I'm doing. Some I'll put out public like this one, others I won't. Decent.